Why did you scrumple this ticket or the number plate?
Because the police officer or the Metro Police was taking his time to write it out.
I don't understand. If you could explain that, maybe.
He was taking longer. He was writing a line, then he was waiting, and then looking, and then writing a line and waiting and looking. It just took him some time to write out the ticket.
But what does that have to do with you scrumbling the ticket?
Because by then I would have liked to have just gotten going, and he was taking his time to write out the ticket.
Yes, I know it took his time, but why is that relevant in the way that you handle this ticket given to you by the policeman? That's what I don't understand.
What should I have done with the ticket?
Can you repeat that question and maybe answer it?
I'd said to you, what should I have done with the ticket? I had the ticket in my possession, I crumpled it, and I'd thrown it on the passenger side.
What do you think you should have done with the ticket?
Kept it, which we did, because it was then given over to the dealership.
Being shortly after we left the police.
Definitely not, milady.
I'm trying to understand how it is that you have two people in a car that can differ so dramatically about when and where and why the shot was allegedly fired. Can you assist us?
My testimony is the truth, milady. That's what I remember.
Yes. Can you remember where the shot was fired?
The roundabout vicinity that I had shown Detective Van Aert and the photographer.
But can you remember where it was?
From what I remember, it was right after the robots at that intersection. I had taken Detective Van Aert up, and he was driving, I was passenger. I had asked him to please drive me up and down the area a few times.
So it was not that you could take him straight to the place?
No, I could not.
And after a few times, how did you pick that spot?
I do remember the area that it had happened in. I wasn't 100% sure until I had seen it a few times.
So what you say, you had to drive a few times past the spot, and then after a few times, you remembered it?
Yes, milady.
So the first time you did not remember it?
You deserve to know more. eNCA.com